Your blank will come. You have to click on this box is coming, right? Complete one blank box will come to you. You can click on create and request a workbench request. Na? Like customizing request you create, na?
Yes, sir.
Same way you have to create workbench request. So you
No,
create
sir.
like
No, sir. I am saying that I active version. I will all do this step. Then one yellow warning is coming, but I am entering there. No work branch request screen come.
this is not coming.
No, sir.
Enter again 2 times. This box will come. Then you have to click on the create workbench.
So double click in yellow warning, sir. Enter.
Enter, yeah, enter. Just double click enter. Na? Put a enter button. See here
Okay.
2 times yellow warning is coming. When I copy, when I
Yes.
select active version and when I give some name here, when I say copy, first time yellow warning coming. Press enter. Again one more time coming. Na? Yellow
Okay.
one. Then it will, even second time I press enter, this request will come. And here
Okay.
you have to click on create
Okay.
and create a new request, na, like this DMA request you create and save. Okay?
Okay,
Right.
sir. I try today.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Good.
Yeah, same thing was happening with me.
Yeah. Yes, ma? Yes.
Yeah, same thing was happening, but then I changed the name because it wasn't taking, like I did SAP underscore my company name, but it wasn't taking it. It
Your
was
voice is
still
breaking.
saying that
Your
my
voice is
request
breaking.
um the name did not find and then coming, so it was.
Yeah, I understand there is a problem with the DME. Okay. Just put it on Telegram now. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Yes, tell me. Just it's a theory we have done. What is a TDS component? What is withholding tax? Correct. What responsibilities we have under the TDS? So in TDS, what the company has to do now, wherever it is the employer, na, now our Zoho is an employer or not? Yes. So what Zoho has to do now? On all employees' payment, salary payment, they have to deduct TDS, correct, and pay to government, correct. Same way, if it is paying interest to somebody, on that also TDS deduct, pay to government. If it is a tenant, it is got some storerooms and all, it has taken on rent. For them also, while making rental payments, they have to deduct TDS. Correct? When it is a buyer of some property, some properties it is buying from somebody, then also TDS is supposed to deduct, pay to government. If it is making some payment to as a customer to some vendor, on that also TDS will apply. Is it clear? So now we have to get the SAP system ready to do all this in the SAP system. So what our Zoho has to do now? Deduct all these TDSs, deduct all the TDSs, pay to government, and then give the TDS certificate to respective party. Form 16 we give to employees, correct? Like that, we give TDS certificate to respective parties. All this we want to do in SAP system. Okay. So note down this. So what is the TDS? Why TDS has come? So in SAP we call it as withholding tax. In normal taxation, what is the problem? There is a delay in taxation. But in TDS we get the tax immediately. Second, TDS will come guaranteed it is. We will get the TDS. Correct, na? Yeah. Next, I discussed from a point of view. Like suppose one person is there, where are the TDS will apply? Okay. Yeah.
Hi,
Okay.
sir.
Note down this. Yes.
I have one question in automated payment submission to the bank portal.
Mm.
Is semi-automated or automated? So I have run 100 vendors payment run at a time.
Mm.
So all are sent to the bank. So when approving authorizing in bank, authorizer found only 99 entries found in bank portal, but in SAP we paid 100 entries. So how to find that where that one vendor is went?
No, here what we have a clearing account. Going forward, we will maintain clearing accounts. When you are doing the bank transfer, we do not with our original bank account, we will use clearing account. So that way, when it is cleared, we will clear those all the entries. What is not cleared will be left pending. Then we have to reconcile with the bank. What is the problem? Okay,
No,
that's
sir, not
clearing
about
accounts.
reconciliation, sir. Why it is not uploaded? Where we need to find? Like if 100 documents are posted, 99s are appearing in bank portal. One is stuck somewhere. So in semi-automation or
No.
semi-automation process, so in which T code we need to find that one which vendor is not appeared and why that is not appeared. The reason why it is not appeared.
See, who is not able to find?
Approver in bank
Bank is
portal.
not able to find. So then bank will give an update to us. Na?
No, we need to find out whether it is issue
See,
from
when bank
our
is
end or.
doing, your understanding is wrong.
Mhm.
See, this so some data you communicated to the bank.
Yeah,
Correct? If everything is proper, it will go through. Na?
yeah,
Then
yes.
bank will communicate back to us na, what has happened. Correct? So in that, what have been cleared, what have not been cleared, they have to give. Na, otherwise, how will you know? Correct? There will
No,
be
sir,
an
I'm not.
updation entry again. There will be
I'm.
an updation entry again.
Yeah, I know that after bank clearing, one more doc will create a TA document. So
Mm,
I'm not talking about that, sir.
mm,
100 we paid. One
mm.
document is not updated to the bank portal only. Why it is not updated? So where we can see that? In current scenario I am facing in my company code, I have raised a ticket with the IT team consultant. So
Mm,
they are checking. So they checked and they are advised that the consultant advised that because of
mm.
this reason it is not uploaded. Reverse and reset and repay. So we corrected that entry and we repaid. I didn't understood where he checked. So he showed the screen also. Same FBZP somewhere in that screen. He
Mm.
showed total we have paid in 100. One is in error. 99 are paid successfully. So even amount also paid partially amount and which is rejected that showing partial. So here where we can check that.
No, I did not see. Did he open any tables kind of thing?
Yeah, he opened
Yeah,
some.
okay. So the tables concept we have not started. Na? He is looking from the back end.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Back end
so
only he was.
correct. So we have tables at the back end. I have not started tables.
Okay, sir.
See, we have for everything that we enter, na, it will go into a table like this. Suppose you see now SE16 N will be the data table. Okay, we will come there. So now, so
Yes,
one
this page
bisect,
we opened. Yes.
yeah, this page, and here we will give our company code like this. So
Okay.
then when you execute, na, you will not have access to this actually. So when you
Okay.
execute, you can see the backend table, what is posted. Na?
Okay.
Okay, just 1 minute. So now this is the SE16N bisect table. What is our company code?
ZAPL.
ZAPL. I was taking Zoho, no? That's why. ZAPL. Okay, execute. Then it will show you all the entries that have happened for this company.
Yes, correct.
Okay, right.
This
So
table
from
was
here
used.
you can pick up. Correct. So you can put a filter on here, like and you can, in this you can put filter whatever documents you are looking. Na company code, document numbers you can give. Account type, all this. When you put the filter on your documents only, it will show. Date wise
Okay.
you can see. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Understood.
Okay. Now, so okay, let's go to no, configuration part. Let's go. Okay, no, don't. TDS withholding tax configuration. Okay. So step number 1, na? Define withholding tax. Tax country. Okay. See, most of the steps in the TDS are at country level. Yeah. See, the tax is at what level? Country level. Correct now. So see, some steps, 50% steps are country level, 50% steps are company code level. Is that clear? Yeah. So, so most of the things you will feel that this is already there in the country, right? Okay. So let's go now. We will go by path here. /NSTR. Open your material, guys. See, especially in withholding tax. In withholding tax, we have 32 steps, guys. How many? 32 steps are there. So I'm mentally preparing you. We have to keep on doing it for 32 steps. That's why open your material. No need to write down. I have given a very clear notes. Just open your material, withholding tax. Open your material. It is there already. Okay. No need to again write. No, not required. So open your material, all of you. Step number 1, open. Each stepwise it is clearly given there. Please open your material. Soft copy you have, all of you. FI soft copy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, open it. Yeah. Open. Which page number it is? Yeah, page number 83.
81.
81, step number 1, withholding tax country. Correct, na?
83.
82, yeah, what? 85. Which one is correct? Maybe some document format may be different. Okay, end of the day, it is withholding tax, guys. Step number 1, right? Good. Okay. So what is the path? We go to reference IMG, financial accounting, then financial accounting global settings. Then you go to withholding tax. Correct. Extended withholding tax. Then you go to basic settings. Check withholding tax countries. Yeah. Note on this. Withholding tax countries. Note on this.
85 is the correct way, sir.
85. Yeah. So it's there now. Path is there mentioned
Yeah,
there.
same path, sir.
Good. So no need to write down. It is there. Yeah. Because 32 steps we cannot write down like this. Waste of time. So click on this. Okay. Here position. Country India. India is there. Already it has been maintained for India. Yes. So you cannot maintain again. Yeah. Suppose if someone is doing again India, I want to do India. See, your India, my India is same, na? We have only one India, right? We cannot have two Indias, right? So it will say it is already there, right? Good. So this is not required. If it is already there, country level, whatever is there, you don't have to maintain again. Okay. So someone that is maintained at country level, it will apply to you also. Is that clear? Good. So only you will do whatever is required for your company code. Got it? Good. Okay. What is the step number 2 now?
Define withholding tax keys.
Tax keys. Click on this. Tax keys are nothing but section keys. You know, sections, these ones. In the TDS, you have sections, na? Correct, na, guys? You know these sections? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this also, you can get it on Google also. Go to Google, say TDS sections. You will get it. That list you have to maintain here. Okay. New entries and you maintain.
And if it is not available, we can follow the material and we can update the same which is available in the material, right, sir?
Yeah. If it is not there, you give here. If it is already there, you cannot give. Got it? So this is the sections, TDS sections. Correct? Yeah. You know na section?
Yes.
In the law, in
In
any
law.
law, in the law, sections will be there, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Same way here also sections are there. Okay? Good. Next, different reasons for exemption. Sometimes TDS is not applicable. Government will allow exemptions. Okay. Yeah. So like this, you see loan deduction, some charity, whatever. No? Widower, a military widower, like that. No? Senior citizen, something, whatever is the exemption, we click on new entries and create the exemption. So when exemption is specified, TDS is not applicable. Is that clear? So that was step number 3. Okay. If you want new reasons, click on new entries and maintain. Okay. Next. Step number 4. 4 is what? Tell me.
Maintain types of receipt.
So here maintain is not there. Check is there. No? So you go to withholding tax on the top, basic settings, and here maintain types of recipient. Okay. Yeah. So maintain types of recipient. See, recipient type means what? See, okay, we will understand this. Types of recipient. Recipient type we call it. Okay. Suppose for example, now bank is there. Okay, bank is there. Bank is paying interest, na? Interest payment na, to somebody. Suppose it is doing interest payment to one person, na? Say senior citizen is there. You know, senior citizen, retired guy. Okay. What this guy has done? He has done an FD, fixed deposit of 25 lakhs. Total is life savings he has done in FD. So on that, he is on the senior citizen. He is getting an interest, no? He is getting an interest of say rupees 50,000 interest income. Okay, this is the interest income on 25 lakhs FD. Okay, so same way now we have a company is there. Another one company is there. Company also did an FD. Company also did an FD. Company also getting 50,000 interest income. But this what government will do? Government will say on this apply TDS only 1%. On this government may say apply TDS 5%. You understand? Na? Like so depending who is the receiver here? Who is the receiver here? Receiver
Senior
is
citizen.
senior. Who is the receiver here?
Company.
So depending upon the recipient type, the TDS rates may differ. You understand the point? That
Yes.
is one. So here we have different types of recipient. Okay. Click on maintain types of recipient. So here use ES means Espania, it is Spain. Okay. ES is Espania. If you take US country, na, in US, what recipient types are there? Individual, corporation, partnership, fiduciary, nominee, government, private, artist, like this we have na, for US. Now for India, we have only 2 types of recipient. To avoid tax complications, we have only 2 types of recipients. I don't know what is just okay. Now, if you go here, and okay, see here, I will show you for India. Okay, here you see India. What we have? One is company, one is so we have only 2 recipient types in India. It's a company or individual. Okay. So if it is not there, what you do? New entries maintain. Okay. If it is already there, no need to maintain. That was my step number 4. If it is not there, you go like this, new entries, country, India. Just 1 minute, my keyboard not working. Other than company. Just 1 minute.
Good morning, sir. Today I have joined 10 minutes late. Did I miss anything, sir, apart from withholding tax?
No, no, no. We were discussing some issues. The other people issues we were discussing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now
Thank you.
let's yeah. So here, country India, recipient type company. Country India. Yeah, you can do other than company or individual you can do, guys. Yeah. Anything doesn't matter. But only two you maintain. Yeah. Don't maintain another one. Okay. Company other than company or company individual. Yeah. Yeah. You maintain. Right. Next. Okay. Then what is
Okay.
it? Step number 5.
Define business places or section codes.
Define business places or section codes. Okay, go back. Define business places. Okay, here go to India. Define business places. Okay, actually it is define section codes, but inside business places we have section codes. Okay, now what is a section code? Okay, section code is a place, is a place where we are collecting the TDS. Okay, yeah. Now business
Section
place,
basis.
yeah, section wise, right? So is a place is a code within section code, is a place within the company code, place within the company where we are collecting the TDS. Business place is the local tax office. Is the local tax office, tax jurisdiction office. You know jurisdiction, na? Where this TDS is paid, to which this TDS is paid. See, suppose I am collecting TDS in Hyderabad. My employee based in Hyderabad, my company based in Hyderabad. It will come under jurisdiction of Hyderabad, na? Correct or not? It will not come under jurisdiction of Assam, right? No. Suppose there is a issue tomorrow, I have to approach jurisdiction office Hyderabad. Is it clear? That's see. Suppose you take law, na? In the law, jurisdictions will be there. Suppose if the property is in Hyderabad, can I file the case in Delhi? Property case is there. Can I file in Delhi?
No, sir.
No. First I have to file local, na? District, no? Local jurisdiction, then district court, then high court, then Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Correct. So there is a jurisdiction in place. That is what. So this is the local tax office. This is a local tax office. This is where we are collecting the tax. This is the office to which it is linked. Okay, maximum we try to match them. We will create the section codes in the company code, right? We will note down like this. We will create the section codes in the company code as per the business places. As per the business places. As per the business places, the local tax offices that we have, now accordingly we create. Correct. Suppose if there are 4 tax offices, na, in Hyderabad, south, west, east, west, north, we have 4. There is only one. Depending upon the tax jurisdiction offices, we will create the section codes. Easy for us to, so where we are collecting, where we paid. Easy to match, na? That is. Okay, now let's create. Define business places. Now here you click on new entries and I am creating. What is my company code? ZAPL. What is my section code? HYD1. What is the name? This is my Hyderabad section code. Actually, I am creating section code here. Even though name is saying define business places, inside business places, I am creating section. Okay, no. This is a company code step it is. Correct, no? Within your company code, what section code you are maintaining? Okay, save it. Okay, this is my Hyderabad section. Okay, this is my search term. Street is like this. Okay, then we have like this. Postal code, city, post box, postal code. Yeah, give it like this. Press enter. That's it. Now, what is our request now? We are doing withholding taxes. Create a new request for withholding taxes. Yeah. Save in that. This is the first time I am creating now something, na company code level step it is. Other things are at country level. So in step number 5, this one or 6? 5. So first step we did it in step number 5 for the company code. Next, step number 6. What is step number 6?
Assign factory calendars to business places.
Yeah, factory calendar means your calendar, guys. Factory calendar to business places means now our tax jurisdiction office is there, no? For them, what is the calendar they will follow? Got it? See, now government offices, they have some calendar they will follow. Na? It is holiday means holiday. Na? Can you pay the TDS on that day? Cannot do. Correct? So that is the factory calendar of the business places. Correct? So we also have a factory calendar. Our company also will follow one calendar. Na? That is what we call it as a factory calendar. See guys, if the company is in India, na, August 15 is a holiday. Agree? Yeah. If the company is in America, do you think August 15 is a holiday?
No, sir.
No. Correct? They have their own holidays. So that is what we call it as a factory calendar. So we have many factory calendars, guys. Factory calendar of our company, Zoho Automobiles. Factory calendar of the government organizations like tax authorities. Factory calendar of our customer. That is also important. Factory calendar of our customer means, see now, suppose you are delivering to customer. Yeah. If the customer is a holiday for him, then your truck will go and the driver, suppose is going on a Friday. Friday is a holiday. Saturday, Sunday, 3 days holidays. Your lorry will be there for 3 days. You will have to wait till the office opens on Monday. You understand the point? So customer calendar also important, no? Yeah. So we have our calendar. We have government organizations calendar. We have customer calendar. All those we call it as factory calendars. Okay, we will maintain in different places. Is that clear? See, some people they do a 5-day work week, no? Not only holidays. You take the work weeks, no? Some companies they work 5-day week. Some companies they work 6-day week. Some companies we have no new culture, no? Yeah, family time, work-life balance. We are talking, no? Some companies in some countries they are having 4-day week only. Huh? So when you have a 4-day week, you should take his calendar, no? That is it clear? That is what we call it as a factory calendar. Who will create the factory calendars? HR consultant will create. Got it? Okay, we will come back on that. So now you click on factory calendar of the business places. Okay, so click on new entries. What is our company code?
ZAP.
ZAPL. Okay, then section code is HYD 1. Then factory calendar, their factory calendar, na? Government organization. So I'm giving standard. We don't have so many. So I'm giving just 0, 1. Yeah. And then rule. What is the rule? See, if, see, whatever TDS we are paying, we have to pay in India, we have to pay before 7th of next period. Correct? Yeah. Suppose I collected the TDS in the month of January. I have to pay before 7th of February.
February.
Now, if 7th of February is a holiday, as per business places, what do you think? What should I do? I should pay day before or day after?
Day before
Day
one.
Day
before.
before.
That is minus. Correct? That is. So we are following their calendar. In as per their calendar, If that is a holiday, then you have to pay the day before. Is it clear? So that is the rules we are framing. Good. Next. Step number, what is it? Step number 7. 7. What is 7?
Define withholding tax types for invoicing posting.
Define withholding tax types for invoice posting. Okay. Okay. Now come down here. Calculation. Step 7. Tax types here. Okay. See the 32 steps, T codes we cannot remember, guys. Kada? So no point. So you just do this. Okay. We'll go by path. All of them are here only. Sorry. Okay, excuse me. Now here, define withholding tax type for invoice posting. Okay, note down this. Now this one. Okay, click on this. Invoice posting, payment posting. What is this? See, sometimes what is this? Invoice posting, payment posting. See, in some countries they follow tax at TDS at invoice posting. Means, see, suppose now salaries are there. Salaries you are supposed to pay on first date of the month. Suppose January 1st, you have to pay the salaries. That is invoice posted on what date? Salaries invoice posted on 1st January. You have to pay the salaries. Na? So invoice posted on 1st January. So here now payment. Now payment you are doing, salary payment you are not done. Only invoice posted, salary not paid to the employees. So there the government is saying, I don't care when you pay salary to your employee. My TDS you have to pay me on time. You understand? Suppose now Mr. X is there. Salary 1 lakh. How much salary is there for Mr. X? Salary is 1 lakh. Correct? So government saying this 5,000 rupees, my TDS, na, this you pay to me as per invoice posting. TDS has to be paid as per invoice date. Is that clear? So I don't care whether you pay 95,000 to Mr. X or not. I don't bother. You may pay after 2 months also. That is your problem and his problem. My money you pay, right, as per invoice date. Is it clear? Good. If it is payment posting means what? Here the government is little bit lenient. Kada? TDS can be paid when we pay salary to, when the salary is actually paid to Mr. X. Is that clear? Yeah. Suppose if the salary paid in February, January salary paid in February, then only TDS is deducted in February. Correct? If it is invoice posting, TDS is deducted as per invoice date. TDS you have to pay. So government is not lenient here. Here government is lenient. Got it? So we have two types of tax types, na? Invoice posting, payment posting. In invoice posting, even if you have not paid to the respective party, our TDS you have to pay on time. That is what the government says. In case of payment posting, government says, no problem. Whenever you pay to the party, at the same time you pay us the money also. So both options are there. Okay. In some countries they follow invoice posting. In some countries they follow payment posting. In India, you know what we follow?
Invoice post.
No, in India we follow.
Payment posting.
No. In India we follow whichever is earlier. You understand? In India we follow whichever is earlier. Means, see, if you give invoice posting, na, then invoice they will not post. See what the companies, I will tell you. Advance payment they do, salary payment. Employees are happy, yes. Invoice posted, not posted. So then they will delay the invoice posting, na, That way they hoard the money. Now withholding tax they will collect and they use it for other purposes. And they pay to the government after 4 months. Legally they are correct? Yes. Because I have not posted invoice. You understand the point? So if it is invoice posting, they will do misuse. No? They will misuse the power. Correct? If you do payment posting, they will delay the payments itself. So that's why in India, what it is? At the time of invoice or at the time of payment, whichever is earlier. Is that clear? Good. So in India, that loophole is not there. There is no scope for, this thing. So whichever is earlier, if you do invoice first, pay. If you do payment first, advance payment you do, then also pay. Is that clear? Good. So in India, what it is? In India, what it is, guys? In India, it is whichever is earlier. So we have to do for both of them. Got it? So everybody understood this concept?
Yes.
Invoice posting, payment posting, you are clear?
Mm.
Okay. See guys, this topic, especially whenever we talk about topics like taxation and law, no? Taxation and law, we have to go little bit, the subject will be, little bit technical, little bit wider. Why? Because if you take a topic like APP, automatic payment program, it is same for all countries, all companies. If you take a Indian vendor, Indian payment, same. American vendor, American payment, same. So the configuration, SAP will do most of it. Correct. For a topic like APP, it will be common in any country. There also vendors are there, there also payment terms are there, there also payments are there. But if you take a topic like taxes and law, is it same for all countries? Taxes and law, is it same? No.
No.
Can I apply Indian taxation in America?
No.
Can I apply American taxation in India?
No.
So the problem with these type of topics is they differ from country to country. Correct? So if SAP, if there are 300 countries, SAP cannot create everything for 300 countries, na? Yeah, that's why there will be load on the consultant. So every country has to do separately. And the second problem here is these, even if yes.
Sir, I am joining late today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 points are not.
You open your material. You have the soft copy of material is there, na? Page number 85.
Yes,
Open. In that all the steps are there, clearly given. Okay? Yeah, just try to do it. Any problem, let me know tomorrow. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So it is already there. So 4 steps are India level. Actually, you don't have to do it because it is already created at India level. Okay? No need to do also. If it is already there for India, no need to do. Is that clear? But
Sir, whatever the country they are maintaining their business, so they will provide all these law rules. They will provide in the BBP document.
exactly. Yes. We cannot learn all the country's taxation. Na?
Okay. They will
Can we learn? No, you
No.
cannot. So they will have a subject matter expert, SME they will provide. He will give all the information. We will take it and we will do it. Correct? Yeah. So the point here we have to understand is SAP cannot create for every country and keep it on the system. Na? No. No, without knowing which country people will buy, right? If they do for 300 countries and company from India is buying, other 299 are waste. Na? That's why SAP will not create everything. Basic level they will provide. Balance we have to create, consultants. Correct? Yeah. And the second reason why they will not create is even if they create also, it is not consistent. It is not same. Na? See, law will change every day.
Yes, staff slabs will change every year.
Everything. It keeps on changing. See, today something is banned today. On February 1st, they may remove the ban. Na? Right? So, law is something that is not same for every country and it will not remain same. It will keep on changing. So, that's why there is no point in SAP creating it. Na? So, the load is on the consultants. Correct? That's why we have so many steps. Kada, SAP will create basic minimum what is required. Balance we have to create. Is that clear? Good. Okay, now step number 7. Na? Go back. Step number 7. Click on this withholding tax type for invoice posting. Click on this India country. Okay, here you click on the new entries, and you give like this. This is also country level, you see, right? So I'll give like this T1. I will give tax type T1, tax type for invoice posting, gross amount you select, round withholding tax amount up. Up means higher number. Na? If there is a decimals are there, like 0.83, then it will take the round figure. Okay. Okay. Then per year starting with which month we start in India? April month. Na? Okay. So TDS certificate we give from April to March. Na? Yeah, that. No, don't. So all the other things don't touch. Don't touch. This is a tax type for invoice posting. So this also we have created at what level? Country
Country
level.
level.
So imagine if, see, when I press enter, it says it is already there. Then why do I create? It is there now already. Okay, you
So
see.
we don't need to create.
No
Sir.
need to create. Whatever is at country level, no need to create. If it is already there, if it is not there, you create. Okay?
Sir, we'll take a picture.
No, don't. Yeah, no problem. Take the picture. No problem.
It's also available in the material which we need to select.
Yeah, it is there. Everything is there. Yes. So we understand this topic is little tricky. That's why a detailed notes we have prepared for withholding tax. Okay. Yes, tell
So
me.
what is this for? Per year
4 is
starting with
April month. So our TDS we collect, see form 16, you know, form 16. We have to give to our employees. Na? So tomorrow when you give form 16, it will be from April to March as per financial year. The accumulation type means we add up to starting with April to March.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
in India, on advance payment posting or invoice posting, whichever is earlier, we have to pay TDS now, sir. So we pay TDS on advance amount like pro rata basis or on complete full amount, sir.
No, whatever amount you are paying.
Okay.
If you are paying advance 20 on that.
Okay,
if you pay advance 50 on that.
pro rata basis.
Correct. Yeah.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
Sir, what is this withholding tax type number?
Number is how many tax types you have, na? 1, 2, 3. So when you save, it will come automatically. See, I have tax type. Now next one is, you see this. This will be tax type 2 will come. One more tax type 2. It will come automatically. Okay? Yeah. This is step number 8, guys. Step number 7 is invoice posting. Na? This one. I created what tax type? T1. Here you see T1. If I have tax type for this is for invoice posting. So posting at the time of invoice. Same way I have posting at the time of payment. This. Got it? Yeah. Clear? Good. That was my step number. How much? What
8.
step is it? 8, na? 8. So step number 2, 8 also I will show you once. This is step number 8, guys. No doubt. If it is already there, no need to create. This is country level, na? It is already there. No need to create.
Sir, control data, we have selected some like a base margin.
Which one, ma? This one? This will come automatically. We did not touch this at all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't touch this. Just give this one, this one, this one. Gross amount up. This also we don't touch. This will come automatically. This you give 4.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, save it. So that was step number 8. No? Next, step number 9. 9 is what?
Check recipients.
Check recipient
Check
types.
recipient type. It will be here only. Somewhere here. Check recipient type. This one. Okay. Check recipient types. Recipient type means combinations. Okay. Click on this. Now India. This is again country level. You should understand. If it is asking country means country level. If it is asking company code means company code level. Okay. So here also, if it is already there, you leave it like that. So I'm giving combinations na T1 with company. So invoice and company. Invoice and individuals. Payment and company. Payment and individuals. 4 combinations. So this is at the time of invoice plus for whom company. At the time of invoice for whom individuals. 4 combinations. So vendor type and tax type combination. Save it. If it is already there, no need to worry, guys. Next, step number, what is it? 11, huh?
10.
10. Maintain tax due dates, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is step number 9. This is step number 10. So all the steps are side by side here. Maintain tax due dates. Maintain tax due dates. Here also again country level, na? So you maintain all the sections here, na? India. So here we have the section. Okay. So, okay. So what I will do? I will maintain like this. New entries. I will maintain country India. Which section is it? Which section? 190. We have sections, no? TDS on salaries, all these. So here, TDS on salaries, we don't do, guys. TDS on salaries, HR consultant. Okay, so we don't have to worry about this. Then other than that, what we have 194C, TDS on contractors. I will pick up this. Then recipient type, it's a company. Number of days until tax due date. How many days government will give? 7 days it will. Correct na? In India, 7 days. Whatever closing is happening for that 7 days.
Sir, but in material they are showing 777.
No, 7 it is. But typing mistake. It could be just 7. Okay.
And we have to create for the individual also here, no?
For individual, for all sections, you have to create. But don't worry. Don't do this. It is like, multiple things. It's just waste of time. Na?
Okay.
So we will follow only. We will do for, okay, let's restrict ourselves, guys, rather than wasting time. So we will do for one recipient type. Who is that? It's a company. Okay. Company. And then I will do for one section key. One section, section. No? What is the section key? I'm doing for 194C. What is this? TDS on contractors. We can do all, but it is waste of time. I will show for one, same will apply for all of them. And then I will do for one section code. Which section code? Hyderabad section. HYD. Correct? Okay, so let's restrict ourselves to save the time. Okay. So, and one business place, na related business place will be same code it will be. I will create HYD1. Business place is Hyderabad 1 and section code also will be Hyderabad. So we are doing for recipient type company. We are doing for section key 194C only. Same way it will apply for all the others also, same to same. And then we are doing for one section. Got it? Okay, let's continue. So that's why I'm giving only one. Na? Yeah. And this also it is there already. Because it is what level? Country level. Na? Yeah, it is there already. So if it is there, no need to do it. See, something that is there at country level, na, leave it, guys. Don't waste your time. It is there. Just use it. Save it. So that was my step number what? 10, na? 10.
Yes,
Okay, step number 11, tell me.
withholding tax code.
We define withholding tax codes. Huh? Okay, here you see. Little bit go down, you go. Tax codes are coming. So tax codes contain tax rates, TDS rates, 1%, 2%. Na? Like that, tax codes will be there. Okay, click on there. So tax codes contain withholding tax percentages. Okay, click on this. Okay, India country. Again, this is at what level, guys?
Country level.
Country level.
So if it is already there, just leave it, na? Okay. If it is not there, then you create new entries. You create tax type T1 and the tax code you are creating as C1, code 1. Tax key is 194C. Description is tax code for invoice posting. How much? 2%. Percentage subject to tax. What amount is subject? Total amount, 100%. Whatever is the invoice amount on that. The posting indicator, standard posting. Then tax rate, how much it will apply? 2% it will apply. Got it? Like this we will give. Okay? You give all this and you press enter, save it. Okay. So now I will cancel this because it will say it is already there. Na? Okay. I will open it. You can take a picture. Na? This is new entries C1. Tax code is actually C1. Note down. So how much is our TDS rate, guys?
2%.
2%. That will apply on the total amount.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, this weekend do we have classes?
This weekend you will not have. No.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday I have created, like when I'm practicing APP, because my server has been changed, I'm getting some errors. Like the request has been changed, saved in accounts payable. The enterprise structure is saved in accounts payable, sir.
Fine, no
So
problem.
how to change that again to enterprise structure? So like, can we delete and change?
Actually here no problem. Nothing will happen. Both are same here because we are not taking the data to other servers. Na? So no
Yes.
need to worry. Just leave it like that. Next time be careful. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir,
It
again,
will,
okay, sir. Please continue.
yeah, create another request. No, and other steps at least you save it in that request. Okay. Yeah. It will not affect you in any way. In in the testing and all, it will not affect.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, again in run whole document SC38, which program we need to select, sir?
SC38, why you are going, ma?
Last time I didn't get, you said we do not have access now, sir. This time this server is providing me the access, like program and all, everything is coming on the screen. Last time I got an error, we do not have access, something like that.
Correct. So what error? I mean, why you are going to SC38? It is program run, na?
Yes, sir, run whole document. For that, we can do that, sir, or we do not have any access.
Oh, okay. Hold document problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay, just to do it. To hold problem, you are getting any hold problem is coming for you?
No, sir. When I'm doing this T, when I'm entering this T code SC38, which program I need to select, sir? Like
RE something, yeah, PBLU, no? RE. It is there in the notes. PBLU something. PBLU. It is there, ma, in the material. It is there. Just check. It will be there as for old document. You are starting from the beginning again.
yes, sir. Because when I'm running APP, it says House Bank is not there. So many details. GL accounts have been deleted. So I'm checking from beginning, sir. From yesterday night only I'm doing this.
Okay. Yeah. RFPM, PBLU, or something like that. I don't remember. No. Yeah, this is the one, ma. Execute this, okay? What is the program name? RFTM PBLU.
So 1 minute I'll take.
Okay, no problem. Okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, back to our thing, guys. So step number 11 we did, na? 11, what one we completed? Oh, I think
Withholding
I
tax.
lost it. I lost
11th
all
one
that.
only.
Slash and SPRO.
11 finished.
SPRO reference IMG. Then I am going to financial accounting, global settings, withholding tax, extended withholding tax codes, na? Tax
Yes, sir.
codes we are
Yes,
talking.
tax code.
Okay, calculation. Yeah, this one. Okay, we completed this C1, C2, two tax codes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, C1, C2 is for payment posting. This is applicable at the time of payment posting. So if the user is doing invoice posting, he will give the tax code C1. If the user is doing advance payment, he will do C2. Okay, that's it. That is my step number 12. Next, 11. Next, 12 is what?
Assign withholding tax types to company codes.
Assign withholding tax types to company code. Here, next company code is coming now. This one. Assign withholding tax types to company code. Yeah. So this also is there. Now you click on this. Now here, new entry. This is company code. You have to do or just leave it?
You have to do it.
Do it.
Yeah,
Do
to
it.
do so.
Company code. What is my company code? ZIPL. Correct. Okay. Tax type T1. Recipient type company. And tax agent. Yes. Obligated from 1st April. Obligated till what date? Till next year, na? 31st. Tax number 1. Okay. No, don't take the picture. This is for. Yes. So you better give an extended date, guys. Yeah, because I don't think we will complete the course till 31st March, na? So I will give next year also. For financial year ending in 31st no, March, right? Yeah, again you will have problems. Better give 1 year more.
Sir, but here also you have to change now, or it is obligated to 2 years.
Obligated to which one? 2 years.
Yes, sir. From here 2 years, no, sir. You have to change here.
This is this is this one, huh?
This one, sir. 01.04 2024 or 25.
No, 24, my financial year started in April.
That's what,
24,
sir.
we are, yeah,
This is a fiscal year, no, sir.
correct.
So 24, 25 should come, 26, 25 should come here.
No, my year, I am taking 2 years here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
2 financial years.
Okay.
Okay. Why I am taking 2 financial years is because your course will not complete in first financial year. It will go to next financial year also. No, April will come probably. Correct? In case.
Okay.
Okay, save it. Done. Next one. Next one is what? Next one is our, we will create one more new entries. T2 we have to create. That is my ZAPL. Tax type T2. Recipient type?
CO.
CO, company. Withholding tax agent. Validity period from 1st April to next year. Okay, next. Withholding tax number is 2. Yeah, no. This is my step number 12. Okay. Right, save it. Good. So we'll stop here, guys. It's nearly 8:40 now. We'll stop here. Step number 13 onwards, I'll do tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Yes, sir.